check this before using, and fuel requirements. So here we are. It's on this side. You've got one canister here. Yeah. 1 second. So this one right here gets on there a little tight sometimes. Boom. But you actually have to use the channel locks. Oh, you're furious. What goes in here is bar oil. So I'll show you what bar oil looks like a little bit later, but you want to make sure that's full before operation. Bar oil is going to keep your chain lubricated. More lubricated the chain, the sharper the blades stay, the quicker the cut. This one here is for your gas. You can see the little gas indicator right here. The only type of gas we're putting in my chainsaws is this. Don't you ever come put anything like mix in my chainsaw. That reduces issues, problems. It's more expensive, but I'd rather have the chainsaw working, operating off expensive fuel, than in the shop waiting on a repair for carb damage and carb gunk. This stuff is ethanol free and the chainsaw loves it. So make sure we do that. Boom. Got that back on. Put the top on the fuel. Now this fuel is going to come in different types of bottles. There's a True Fuel, there's this VP. You'll know what it looks like because it's in something similar to this. 50-to-1, 2-cycle fuel. The bar oil, on the other hand, I want to say it's on the truck. So you walk out to the truck. We got anything in here? It's not there. Maybe it's on the white truck. I know I saw it the other day. Boom! Here it is. Looks real similar to this. Sometimes this bar oil will come in, well, it doesn't say anything on the canister, but check with me or another tech and they'll confirm what's bar oil. Like I said, it's just a chain lubricant. Steadily pour it in there. Fill it to the top. Boom. You might get a little over, but that's fine. Try not to, but if you do, not a big deal. Boom. Okay, so we got oil, we got gas. This is your on and off switch. Boom. It's on. This is the chain lock. When it's open, that chain's gonna do what it wants to do. It's wild. Tame it when you start it up. Keep it on lock when you start it up. Here's the choke. See? So we choke it.